Hey friends, welcome to IJ's Corner. Today we are going to know about the 5 latest Vande Bharat Express train routes. Vande Bharat Express trains are a modern means of transport operated by Indian Railways, gaining popularity among the masses. Hence, the government is working on the expansion of the presence of the train in India. Now we are going to know about the 5 latest Vande Bharat Express train routes. The first one is Delhi to Varanasi. The second one is New Delhi to Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Katra. The third one is Gandhinagar to Mumbai. The fourth one is Andhaura to New Delhi. The fifth and last one is Chennai to Mysuru. So friends, I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching and do subscribe my channel. Bye.